If there was one food that can fix your brain, what would that food be? Go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Now, there are a lot of foods that can support the brain, but out of those foods, there are certain foods that are much better than others based on the nutrients in those foods. So today I'm going to talk about the key nutrients that support your brain and then what foods would match that more than others.
Yes, there are foods that can nourish your brain, improve your memory, and reduce your risk of brain diseases. And they are not only good for your brain, but also delicious and easy to prepare. So, if you want to learn how to eat smart and boost your brain power, keep watching this video and discover the 10 best foods for brain health after 50. You might be surprised by what you find out. Let's get started. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which are natural pigments that give them their blue color. Anthocyanins are also a type of polyphenols, which are plant-based compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects.
Incredible point I want to make is that eating blueberries reduces inflammation. And the reason is that these bioactives, the anthocyanin, proanthocyanin, and quercetin, are powerful reducers of whole body inflammation. And we know that inflammation is responsible as a root cause of many chronic diseases. So it doesn't matter what you got. If you actually eat blueberries and reduce inflammation, that's actually going to be beneficial to your health and help you heal faster.
Anti-inflammatory agents reduce inflammation, which can contribute to chronic conditions such as diabetes, arthritis, and Alzheimer's. One of the main benefits of blueberries for the brain is that they can enhance your memory and executive function, which are the abilities to plan, organize, and multitask. Studies have shown that eating a handful of blueberries daily for 12 weeks can improve these cognitive skills in older adults, as well as lower their blood pressure and improve their blood vessel function. These effects are likely due to the anthocyanins in blueberries, which can increase the blood flow to the brain and modulate the activity of neurons and neurotransmitters. Another benefit of blueberries for the brain is that they may reduce the risk of dementia, which is a decline in mental abilities that affects memory, language, and reasoning. Dementia is more common in older adults and can be caused by various factors, such as Alzheimer's disease, stroke, or vascular disease. Blueberries may also help stimulate the growth of new brain cells and enhance their survival, which can improve the brain's plasticity and resilience. 2. Fatty fish. You may have heard that fish is good for your brain, but do you know why? Well, it's because fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential nutrients for your brain cells. Omega-3s help build and maintain the structure and function of your brain, especially as you age. Studies have shown that eating fish regularly can protect your brain from vascular damage, which is caused by problems with the blood vessels in your brain.
On the flip side of that, we don't need a lot of omega-6 fatty acids to support the brain. So the more omega-6 fatty acids you have, as in corn oil, soy oil, canola, cottonseed oil, the less omega-3 fatty acids you're going to get. And so I think a really big problem with a lot of people is they do not consume enough omega-3 fatty acids. So salmon, halibut, tuna, cod liver oil, sardines, vital.
Eating fish can also reduce inflammation, which is another factor that can harm your brain. But not all fish are created equal. Some fish are higher in omega-3s than others, and some fish may also contain mercury, which is a toxic metal that can damage your brain. So, how do you choose the best fish for your brain health? According to the 2020 to 2025 dietary guidelines for Americans, adults should consume at least 8 ounces of seafood per week. This works out to be 2 4-ounce servings of fish. Oily fish such as salmon, tuna, Atlantic mackerel, herring and trout are great catches with omega-3s to offer. However, you should avoid or limit eating large and long-lived fish, such as swordfish, ahi and big-eye tuna, orange roughy, marlin and king mackerel. These fish tend to accumulate more mercury in their bodies, which can outweigh the benefits of omega-3s. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds that can protect your brain from aging and disease. Broccoli contains more than your daily value of vitamin K, a vitamin that is directly linked to cognitive function and memory. Vitamin K also helps prevent calcium buildup in your brain, which can lead to Alzheimer's. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a sulfur-containing molecule that can stimulate the growth and repair of nerve tissue in your brain. Sulforaphane may also reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and neuronal death, which are all factors that contribute to neurodegeneration. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin C, folate, and flavonoids, which are antioxidants that can boost your brain health and prevent damage from free radicals. Antioxidants also help improve blood flow to your brain, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells. You can eat it raw, steamed, roasted or add it to salads, soups, stir-fries, or casseroles. You can also try broccoli sprouts, which have even higher levels of sulforaphane than mature broccoli. 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only delicious, but also rich in flavonols, plant-based substances that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Flavonols can improve blood flow to the brain, oxygen levels, nerve function, and even mood. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me show you some evidence. A 2014 study found that among adults ages 50 to 69, those taking a cocoa supplement with high flavonol content for 3 months had better performance on tests of memory than those assigned to take a low flavonol cocoa supplement. Another study found that 2 hours after consuming dark chocolate with high flavonol content, young adults had better memory and reaction time than those consuming white chocolate with low flavonol content. And a 2017 review concluded that flavonols may benefit human brain function by enhancing neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and learn. So, how much dark chocolate should you eat to enjoy these benefits? Well, there is no definitive answer, but some experts suggest that a moderate amount of 70% or higher dark chocolate, about 1 to 2 ounces per day, is enough to provide some health benefits without adding too much sugar or calories to your diet. 5. Oranges. Oranges are one of the best sources of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin C also helps your brain produce neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and serotonin, that regulate your mood, memory, and learning. Studies have shown that people with higher levels of vitamin C in their blood have better cognitive performance and lower risk of dementia than those with lower levels. Some flavonoids, such as hesperidin and naringenin, are found exclusively in citrus fruits and have been shown to improve memory and cognition in animal and human studies. Experts recommend eating at least 1 orange a day, or drinking a glass of 100% orange juice, to meet your daily vitamin C needs. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in many minerals that are essential for your brain function, such as magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper. These minerals help your brain cells communicate, produce energy, and prevent damage. Magnesium is especially important for your brain health, as it can improve your mood, sleep, and memory. Magnesium deficiency is linked to anxiety, depression, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Zinc is another key mineral for your brain, as it helps your brain develop, learn, and remember. Iron and copper are also vital for your brain, as they help transport oxygen and produce energy for your brain cells. Iron and copper deficiency can cause fatigue, headaches, and brain disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Menkes, and Wilson's diseases. So, next time you're looking for a brain-boosting snack, reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds. 7. Eggs. Eggs are not only a great source of protein, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that support your brain function and memory. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient that helps your brain cells communicate with each other. Studies have shown that choline can improve your cognitive performance and reduce the risk of dementia. Eggs also have vitamins B6 and B12, which are essential for maintaining your nervous system and preventing brain shrinkage. Folate, another B vitamin found in eggs, can prevent depression and cognitive decline. Eggs also have lutein, an antioxidant that protects your eyes and your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. According to Harvard University, eating up to 1 egg per day is safe and healthy for most people, even those with diabetes or heart disease. However, if you have high cholesterol or other medical conditions, you should consult your doctor before increasing your egg intake. 8. Coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and for good reason. It not only tastes great, but it also has some amazing effects on your brain. According to a Harvard brain expert, coffee can boost your memory, mood, and alertness by increasing serotonin and acetylcholine, two neurotransmitters that are essential for brain function. Coffee also contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants that protect your brain cells from damage and inflammation. And coffee has trigonelline, a compound that may prevent blood vessel blockage in the brain. But how much coffee should you drink to get these benefits? Well, the optimal amount seems to be between 2 to 4 cups per day, or less than 400 milligrams of caffeine. This is the range that has been shown to reduce the risk of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, stroke, and cognitive decline in older adults. However, this may vary depending on your individual tolerance and preferences. So, listen to your body and see how coffee makes you feel. One more thing, make sure you drink high-quality coffee that is dark roasted and freshly ground. This will minimize the amount of unwanted chemicals and maximize the flavor and aroma of your coffee.
Now let's get to the number one food that would heal the brain and all of these problems. So I looked at a lot of different foods and analyzed them from different angles, and the best solution or the best food for the brain is wild-caught salmon. Now there's other types of seafood that you can use too, like sardines, but wild-caught salmon is at the top of the list. The question is why? Because the brain is mostly fat. It's 60% fat, and 20% of that fat is made up of something called DH that builds the structure of a lot of your brain. So salmon is very rich in omega-3 fatty acids, not just DHA, but another one called EPA, which is involved in the next benefit, lowered inflammation. So salmon lowers your inflammation. Salmon provides the omega-3, the building blocks of your brain, the fat that it needs. And as a side note, cholesterol by itself is very important in the membranes of your brain. And this is why drugs like statins, which block the production of cholesterol, have massive side effects for cognitive function, mood disorders, neurological issues, hormone issues, things like that. A very important food would be wild-caught salmon because it's very, very fatty. It's rich in cholesterol. It's rich in omega-3, which helps inflammation, as well as insulin resistance. You can help correct insulin resistance by this omega-3 fatty acid. Remember, insulin resistance is at the core of a lot of brain problems. These omega-3s are really amazing because they can directly improve memory, learning, cognitive function like focus, as well as your mood. So if someone has depression or anxiety, one of the things that they use that's pretty successful and well-researched is by using fish oils high in omega-3 fatty acids. And because there's a lot of protein in salmon, you get all the building blocks for neurotransmitters for the brain. And on top of that, wild-caught salmon is keto friendly. It's low carb, good amount of protein, super healthy protein with other nutrients. And ketones bypass this insulin resistance damage in the nerve cell and feeds the neurons directly without having to involve any glucose. So the brain has this other fuel it can use more efficiently, which is ketones, which, by the way, is great for seizures. In fact, the ketogenic diet, has been proven to improve seizures.
Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in maintaining your cognitive health as you age. However, before making any significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor first. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.